Welcome back everyone. My name is Sagar and we are back here with another video. So this is the lecture number 21.2 of our Java and DSA course. Yes, I know I am very inconsistent for this Java plus DSA series, but first thing that I will not stop this series unless I complete all DSA concepts in Java. And the reason for my inconsistency is, you can see, welcome to the new setup. Actually, last week I recorded the lecture, but due to some conditions, I have to let the setup go and I have to again move to this new setup. You can see here, this is not the perfect setup, but I just have to make the lectures and this will work. So why this is lecture 21.2? Because I decided that I will be not making 1 hour or 2 hour long videos from now, and instead I will be providing you more content like 2 or 3 videos per week, and in the first video I will be providing you the solution of previous videos task, and that is also very important. And in the next 1 or 2 videos I will be providing you more content. So the solution of task 21 was already recorded, so I will be just uploading it with this video. And in the next videos we will be just covering about strings, string buffers and string builders. So let's get started. So before starting with the video, let me just show you the solution of task number 21. So here we will be given some sorted array that must have duplicate values. So input a sorted array that have duplicate values and input a target that is present in the array. So our target must be present in the array, and after that we have to binary search in the array, and we have to return the index of last occurrence of our target. So what does that mean? So here is our example. So suppose our target is 2 and our sorted array is this. So we have to return the last occurrence of this 2. So 2 is our target. So what is the first occurrence of our 2? That is this. So index is 0 1. So this is our 1 index and this is the occurrence of our 2. This is the first occurrence. And what is the last occurrence? So what is the last index of our 2? So this is our last index of 2. So 0 1 2 3. So we have to return here 3. So 3 is the last occurrence of our target in our input array. So how can we do it? So you know that we have to binary search in the array, and you know the whole process, right? So if you don't know about that, go check out our lecture number 21 first. So this is our binary search algorithm, and we have to modify it to find the last occurrence of our target. And how can we do it? So suppose you applied this binary search in this array and you found some target, you found some index of the target. So suppose this is your index that is returned using this binary search algorithm. So is this the last occurrence of our target? So how can you check is this the last occurrence or not? So it may be the last occurrence or it may not be the last occurrence. So what can you do? So first you will store, because it may be the last occurrence, and you will move ahead because there is a possibility that it is not the last occurrence of your target. So you will just move ahead and you will just check the same thing again. So you will again binary search in other part, and what you will do, you will just find your target, and if you found your target, then you will just update your index that you just found some another occurrence that have the index greater than your previous value. So you will just update your answer index, and when you found your last occurrence, and you will just break out of your loop using the same condition. When low is equal to high, or when low is greater than high, so you will break. So how can we write this program? So first of all, let me just write it here. So first of all, we need a array input. So I will just write here. So it should be sorted. So let me just take that example: 2 2 2 3 3 4. Okay, and our target will be 2. So we have to use here a low and high pointer. So low will be equal to 0 and high will be equal to array's length minus 1. That is the last index in our array. So after that we will just start a while loop here. That is the basic process in our binary search algorithm. And if you are thinking why this is the process, then check out our lecture number 21. I just taught you everything in detail, why this is the process, why we are taking this low, this high, and what is the logic here, what is the condition here. So low is less than equal to high. While low is less than equal to high, what we will do, we will just find the mid. So mid index will be low plus high by 2. And why this is L here? So we found the mid index. So this is the mid index, and after that we will check if our array's mid value is equal to target. So we got some middle value, and if this value is equal to target, so suppose we got this value, so we are at one index and we are checking if this value is equal to our target or not. And if it is equal, then what we will do, first we'll store that answer. So we need an answer, so that is the index, that will be the index. So I'm initializing it with -1. So first we will store the answer equal to this mid, because there is a possibility that this can be our last occurrence of our target, so we are storing it. So we are storing, and that means this is maybe case and maybe not. So first this is the case where it may be our answer, and if it may be not our answer, then what we will do, so this can be our answer, but if it is not, then what we will do, so if it is the first occurrence, then what we will do, then we will move ahead. So we will start from mid +1 to our high value. So what we will do, we will update the low to mid +1, and after that else if, so if our array's middle value is less than target, so if our middle value is less than our target, so what we will do, so if this value is less than target, then we will again move ahead. So same condition, low will be equal to mid +1, and else, so if our middle value is greater than our target, so suppose this is our middle value and it is obviously greater than our target, so we will update our high to mid -1. So high equal to mid -1, and that is it. So after that we will just print our answer. So let me just check it out. So you can see here our answer is 3, and let me check it, 0 1 2 3. So our answer is correct. And let me just take some another example. So suppose target is 3, so it should return 0 1 2 3 4 and 5, so it should return me 5. And it is returning me 5, you can see here. So what is going on here, so let me just show you. So what is going on here, let me just add a debug pointer, and I will just debug. So first this is our array and our target is equal to 3, and initially our answer is equal to -1. So low is 0 and high is equal to 6, and this condition is true. So what is the middle value, so middle value will be equal to this 3. So middle value is 3 index, so 0 1 2 3, so we are here. And after that, is middle value is equal to our target, no it is not. So we will check this condition, is middle value is smaller than our target, yes, our middle value is 2 and our target is equal to 3, so this condition is true. And what we will do, low will be equal to mid +1. So first we are here, so this is our middle value and this is our high. So what we are doing, we are saying that this value is smaller than our target, and we will do low will be equal to mid +1. So initially low was this, and we are saying low will be equal to this, and our high will be here. So this is our only range remaining. So low will be equal to mid +1, here you can see. So low will be equal to 4, and you can see here low is 4 and high is equal to 6. So this condition is still true, and middle value will be equal to, middle value is 5. Okay, so 0 1 2 3 4 and 5, so we are here. And after that, this condition is true and we are here. So first we will update the answer, and after that we will say low will be equal to mid +1. So low will be equal to 6, and you can see here low is equal to 6 and high is also equal to 6. So we will just get the 6 index, and this value is not less than 4, this value is greater than 4. So high will be equal to mid -1. So high will be 5 and low is here 6. So this condition will be false here. So we will just break, and after that we will print our answer. So let me just take here some another example. So suppose this is 2 and here it is 1 1. So suppose this is our example, and let me just show you the dry run. So you can see here low is 0 and high is equal to 8, and our middle value will be 4. So what is the fourth index, 0 1 2 3 4. So we will be here. And now you can clearly see this will be our middle value, this is 4 index, and you can see here mid is equal to 4. So this is our middle value and it is equal to our target, but it is not the last occurrence of our target. So what we are doing, first we are storing this middle index because it can be our answer, it can be our last occurrence. And after that we are moving ahead to check the last occurrence, and if you wanted the first occurrence, then you will move to left side. but here in this case we want the last occurrence, so we are moving to right side. So after this you can see here low is equal to mid plus 1, but you can also see here, you can see this thing, low is equal to mid plus 1, and here also low is equal to mid plus 1. So our code is repeating, and that is not a good practice. So what we will do, we will merge these both conditions. So how can we merge? So you can see here middle value is equal to target and middle value is less than target, so we can just merge them. So we will say middle value is less than equal to target, so we will just remove this condition. So if our middle value is less than equal to target, then first we are saying answer equal to middle. That is not always true, because our middle value can be only less than our target. So if our middle value is less than target, then we don't want to update our answer. So we will just use their normal condition. If our middle value is equal to our target, only then we will just update our answer. So if our middle value is less than equal to target, then we will enter in this block. So after that, first we will check is our middle value is equal to target, and if it is equal, then we will update our answer, and every time we will just say low is equal to mid plus 1. So if our middle value is less than target, then we will move ahead, or if our middle value is equal to target, then again we will move ahead. So low is equal to mid plus 1, so that will just return the same output. So 0 1 2 3 4 5, so it should return me 5, and it is returning. So that is all about this program. And now there can be also a modification for this problem. You can just find the first occurrence of your target. So here in this problem we are finding the last, and you can just find by yourself, you can find the first occurrence of your target. So just do it by yourself. So that is it for today, everyone. If this video is helpful, go hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel. And in the upcoming videos we will be covering strings, string buffers and string builders. So thank you for watching.